Hey guys, today, we are going to talk about maintain user in SQL. How do we create a user? Go to Tools, Maintain User. New. Then, you can key in your user code and name, for example Amy. Then save the user. After this, we can proceed to set a new password for her. Click on the arrow down beside More button. Then, click on Reset Password. System will prompt out a one-time password. Click on Yes to copy the password. Then, you can log in as Amy now. Go to File, Log On. Key in the username Amy. Then, you can paste in the one-time password. Click Log On. System will prompt out the message to change new password. Click OK to proceed. Right-click Paste again the one-time password. Then click OK. Then, key in the new password and click OK. New password can be alphanumeric and it is case sensitive. Done. Login is user Amy. You can set different level of access control for every user. Go to Tools, Maintain User. Edit for the user that you want to set the access right. Click on More options and click on Access Control. You can check on the access control here. Tick to grant the access rights to user. Untick means disallow the access rights. Let's see the example here. Execute means user can use the function from the menu list. For Amy, she can access, can edit customer invoice, but she cannot delete on customer invoice, therefore I untick the delete column for the row of customer invoice. Amy are not allowed to access to customer payment. Therefore we untick execute column for the row of customer payment. Then, click on Save. File, Log On. So, when I log in as Amy, go to Customer Invoice. Amy can edit, but not allowed to delete customer invoice. When she click on customer payment, system will show she has no rights to access. That's all of this video. Thank you.